So, hello everybody. For this class, we'll be looking into the sine and cosine, right? For me, Joseph Jones, I'll be presenting on two main concepts. The first concept is the cosine rule. How do you do it? And secondly, I'll be looking into the little history behind sine and cosine. So let me give you a little bit of background. So in the 12th century, there's 1200s, it's like 1200. We're in 2024 right now. But in the 1200s, a man by the name Bahasco II created the sine and cosine as it is today in its modern form. So with the aid of a diagram, I will be illustrating to you what exactly that is. So as you can see here, um, so, for example, this is a work example of the sine and the cosine rules. So, this is a work example. So, on a triangle, there's a A, there's a B, and there's a C. That is very simplistic to understand. So, we have a 30-degree here, and we have 12 meter here, we have 8 meter. But if you have done this with SOAR, we usually need to have a pair. So, we have no pair with a 30 degrees here. So, there's 30 degrees and there is nothing. So in situations where we cannot use the sine rule, we use the cosine rule. So instead, we apply this formula, which is b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b, right? So now let us go into the formula. Let's apply it. So b squared and the a here is this 12. The a here is this 12. So the, the a here is this 8 centimeter or 8 meters. So we have 8 squared plus 12 squared. So 8 8 64, 12 12, 1 4 to 4. So we have 2 times 8 times 12 because that's a volume here. We have to put it here. 2 times 8 times 12 costs 30. So from this answer, 2 times 8 times 12, we get 192. Furthermore, we have cos 30. If you punch it in your calculators, you put in 192. Cos 30 degrees, you have 41.7. So far, one. So if you subtract this, I did not have enough space to do everything. So if you, from the calculations you have here, you supposed to have b squared minus 41.7. And in maths, if we have to square root b squared to have b by itself. So in a situation like this, if you do it on the left side, you also have to do it on the right side. So the answer for b would equal to 6.5. So the answer is 6.5 for here. That would be the completion of the cosine rule. In addition to this, with the development of a little back on history, um, in the 12th century, before the 12th century, the main persons that actually come up like before he actually in its modern format, the modern format of sine and cosine rules were developed by Bahasco the second. But before that, there were other his ancient societies that actually come up with it or actually had an idea of it, and that was Babylon. But the main persons that actually brought it out to the world was the Egyptians, probably within the year like around 500 BC, the same time around with Pythagoras. So this is everything for my presentation. I hope you understand. I hope you could see what's going on here and understand it. If you have any questions, please ask.